In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw NotCoin to Bybit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to check, and how to confirm your transfer safely and confidently. Start by opening the official Bybit website in a secure browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the correct account and region and that any required identity checks or security features are already set up. A stable connection helps avoid timeouts while you're submitting the request. From your dashboard, go to the top right corner and open the Assets menu, then choose Withdraw. This takes you to the withdrawal page where all transfers out of Bybit are initiated. Take a moment to review any notices about fees, minimums, or maintenance windows that may impact timing. On the withdrawal page, select the asset. In this walkthrough, the example shown is BTC, and the withdrawal method should be set to on-chain. On-chain means your funds will move across the blockchain to an external wallet or another platform's deposit address, and it will incur a network fee and require confirmations. This is different from internal transfers, which only apply between accounts within the same platform. If you are following along for a different coin, the flow is the same. Match the exact asset and network supported by your destination. Next, enter the key details: the destination wallet address, the chain or network type, and the amount. Carefully paste the wallet address from your receiving platform or wallet and double check it character by character. For Bitcoin, make sure you're using a valid Bitcoin address and that the chain type is the Bitcoin network, not a similarly named alternative. Picking the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. For the amount, remember that fees are deducted, so verify the final number you expect to arrive. If it's your first time, consider a smaller test amount to build confidence. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Bybit will prompt you to complete security verification, which may include an email code, SMS code, and your authenticator app. This step protects your funds, so confirm that the address and chain are exactly right before approving. Once a blockchain withdrawal is sent, it cannot be reversed. After submission, you can monitor the status in your withdrawal records. Processing and pending statuses are normal while the network confirms your transaction. Confirmation times vary by network and traffic. If something seems off after a reasonable wait, contact support with your transaction details. That's it. You've successfully initiated a secure on-chain withdrawal from Bybit.